Karma stands for no karma, as you can look at it. And the word karma is a multidimensional word having lots and lots of different dimensions. One of the main dimensions of the word karma means conditioned action. So, action which comes from the past, conditioned action means. And whenever we operate from a very rigid goal, a goal also actually, if you observe deeply, does not come from the future. It actually comes from the past, because हमको जो पास्ट ने बोला है उसी के बेसिस पे हम हमारा गोल भी बनाते हैं, हमारे नॉलेज के बेसिस पे या हमारे अनुभव के बेसिस पे. So goal is also coming from the past actually. So any action which is conditioned is karma. So the way to go beyond karma is to go beyond conditioned action or action which stems from the past. And one of the main ways in which an action stemming from the past is visible in our life is through our goals. So when I mentioned about this Kung Fu Panda, what I was mentioning is, if you observe, he didn't, just like how you look at all the other characters in the movie or quite a lot of characters in real life, कि कोई एक बहुत ही डेफिनेट गोल होता है और फिर वो गोल लाइफ एंड डेथ का इश्यू बन जाता है, या तो ड्रीम बोल लो, तुम विजन बोल लो, ये सब शुगर कोटेड वर्ड्स है, बट बेसिकली तुम्हारे लिए वो सब कुछ हो जाता है. एंड ऑल योर एक्शन एंड ऑल योर everything is focused there, then you are not a relaxed person anymore. And then if you're not a relaxed person, then breakthroughs take really really long to come about. Actually, they don't only come about, only when you again loosen up your grip on the goals, that is when the breakthroughs come about. So this is what our karma